Making me fall in love.
All right, fellas, we are in Salt Lake City. Today it's like 11 already because I slept in finally because I could actually do that in that was a nice freaking room, bro. But that's fine that it's 11 because it's just gonna be a chill sightseeing Salt Lake City day. Low key, bro, we might just sleep again in Salt Lake City tonight, or like we're probably not gonna sleep very far outside of it. Sounds good. I'm gonna go get some coffee at the Starbucks right over there that I'm indicating to, and then we're gonna
With you is easy, too easy to do. Yeah. Thinking about you lately, even though you don't, oh baby you do. All I can guess is you like me, or more, I hope.
All right, fellas. Oh my god, dude, it's like 90 degrees. Weather's being very fickle. Yeah, really cool. Like, I saw the Church of Latter-day Saints and everyone was like, hi, how's it going? And I was like, good. So that's my story about that. Yeah, okay. Great Salt Lake.
It's more than just friends. Friends. Wanting to be your friend, just to feel the drama where we pretend to be friends. And I hope you like me too, the same way that I do.
You already know where we're at. I told you it was gonna be a chill Salt Lake City sightseeing day, which it was. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna start heading for Cheyenne, Wyoming. We're right next to the western edge of Wyoming, and we gotta get all the way to the opposite side of Wyoming. That's where Cheyenne is. And then from there, we're gonna go to Mount Rushmore and the Badlands in some order, I'm not sure which. From Cheyenne through Nebraska up to, this is Mount Rushmore. You got all that? So definitely gonna sleep in the back. I'll see you later or tomorrow, which is later. So I just walked into this Walmart behind me to brush my teeth, and it was super cold outside, and I checked I had to put this jacket on, and I checked my weather app, and it said it's 50. Oh, it said it's 49, but now it's 50, which is literally 41 degrees colder than it was yesterday in Salt Lake City. And I'm still in Salt Lake City, but it's 72 degrees and sunny in Laramie, Wyoming. So let's go in that direction.
Why has it stopped? Is she really not there? He's alone. I'm awake and aware, but it's out of my head where she goes. Some things are made to last a while. Either stay or watch and go. Keep me in mind.
did it, fellas. I don't know how, but we did. This empty grass field lies in Laramie, Wyoming, as does this Walmart that maybe you can see, maybe not, but it's there. There's a Walmart there. I forget how long driving I've been driving a long time. 5.5 hours, I think. It does not feel like I was even in Salt Lake City this morning. So we were in Salt Lake City on one side of Utah, and now we're like all the way on the opposite side of Utah. I mean, fucking on one side of Wyoming, but like outside of Wyoming, and now we're all the way on the opposite side of Wyoming. So that's great. Feeling good about it. I kind of want to just like walk out on that field, see what's up with that field, you know what I'm saying?
Some things are made to last a while. Either stay or watch and go. Keep me in mind when you're away. I knew it, I'll see you on another day.
Okay, welcome back to the field. We're in Laramie, as you well know. So plan for today though, I'm thinking we're only about 2 hours away from Denver right now, but first we're gonna go to Cheyenne because Cheyenne's the capital also, so we're gonna see the Capitol building of Wyoming. Then we're gonna see Denver.
When I look at you, I couldn't see myself passing through your room. I know I needed help, and when you talked to me, all I heard was words I couldn't say a thing. I only made it worse. If I saw your man, would I start around crashing through your bedroom when he was around? And I know it's hard when you feel this way in love with my best friend, but I can say a thing.
Alright fellas, that is a walk around downtown Denver. Dude, we saw freaking 2 state capitals today. I didn't even know that Denver was the state capital of Colorado. Like, I mean, I guess I could have guessed it, but like a lot of times states will not have their like big city be the capital because things are whack. Like Seattle's like the only city anyone knows in Washington, but it's freaking Olympia's the capital. What's that about? Anyway, I digress. Not too much driving involved today either, but tomorrow we'll probably make up for that because we're trying to get to the Badlands. Probably won't get all the way there tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. But that's in the future. Denver, Colorado. That's pretty much gonna do it for the day. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for food, but that's my problem. It's not your problem. You don't have to worry about that. It's okay. Shh, shh, shh. Yeah, man, Denver's cool. Yeah, you saw everything I did. You can form your own opinion. When the sun hits me, the camera makes me just look like orange. But great. So tomorrow, we're gonna drive. We're gonna go through Nebraska. We'll see how far we make it. We might make it all the way there. I don't know. I mean, last time when we were in Salt Lake City and we were driving to Laramie, I said I didn't think we were going to make it the whole way. And this is slightly longer, but I might surprise myself once again. Yay. Whoa. You hear that? There's a train. Whoa! Oh, it's right there! I didn't know. All right, boys, welcome to July 1st. It is about 10:15 a.m. It's July, that's crazy. What are you doing right now? Like, think about if you have any vague idea of what you were doing July 1st at like 10:15 in the morning. You're doing that right now. You're doing it right now. You do. Starting the day. I still haven't had any coffee. I don't know if you can tell that this is all I'm just pushing this energy out from just a hollow shell of nothing. That's what I am. Okay, July 1st, Badlands? Maybe.
I know I said some things I know I'll never work, but when I close my eyes, you know it doesn't hurt. If I could get away, they might just do some good, but I just wanna stay. You know I never should.
Bro, okay, I just met this cool guy at that gas station right there named Zach. He said, oh, are you from California? Because he saw my license plate, and I said, yeah, and he said, oh, what are you doing out here? And I said, oh, I'm going on a road trip. And he said, oh, do you want some recommendations? And I said, sure. He said I should go to this place that's right on the way to the Badlands called Carhenge, that he said is like Stonehenge, but with... Dude, all right. Those are some Badlands right there. Those lands are borderline awful, actually. Very dramatic, natural setting, which I'm going to employ. And what I'm thinking about another, well, yeah, I guess like another, like pondering, what do you call it, metacognitive kind of question. How do you know how you're feeling? It like the way that you feel at any moment. It's just a very interesting question, and you can do it whenever. Like, you're feeling some kind of way right now, you know, even if it's not a very strong or like directed way, if you're just feeling like fine and normal. But how do you know that you're feeling fine and normal? Or maybe you're not. Maybe maybe you're feeling a little tired. How do you know that you're feeling a little tired? Like, what is telling you? I don't know the tools to I don't even think I have like the vocabulary to really process that question. It helps you non-identify with the thoughts that you're having and like observe them as just patterns of energy in your mind. So good talk, boys. We're gonna drive around the Badlands for a little while longer, either until it gets dark or I don't know. We're gonna drive for more, and then we'll probably drive around it more in the morning. And then tomorrow we'll probably make it to North Dakota, I'm thinking. So good stuff. Look at that. Fellas, that is gonna do it for the day. We're here in Badlands National Park, just parked right off of the road here, still on asphalt as a matter of fact. It was pretty much 10:15 that I started driving, and now it's like 8:30, and I've essentially been driving the entire time. Life's crazy. Well,
don't wanna be slowing. Maybe I should be going. Since we hang on by a thread.
I just pooped in the Wyoming State Capitol Library, which is just an achievement, I feel like.